all doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. During the lockdown, you will not be having anyone to play with. So let's make the bird. Let's go into the video. Let's see what are the things that are required to make the bird today. 2 square sheets of paper in different colors, 2 googly eyes, a small round pedestal cut out from a foam sheet or a cardboard, and I have put some double-sided tape on it to stick the little bird on it. We will make the little bird in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Take both the papers and place them one above the other. If you would like to fix it, you can also fix it together, like this, using Fevicol or Fevistick. Let's go for the step number 2. The step number 2 will be making these guidelines. Let's see how to make it. Fold the square along its diagonal in its half to make a triangle. Now open it. You will see this guideline is formed. Let's see how to make the rest of the guidelines. Fold this corner and make its edge touch the guidelines edge. Do the same with the other one. Now turn it over and fold the top down. Now turn it over again and fold it like this. Let's go into the step 3. The step 3 will be ending up with the final figure of the bird. So let's see how to do it. Lift up each flap and pull the top corner to this side and fold it down as I am doing. Do the same with the other side. Now tuck the corners of the bird. So it's pointing like this. Do the same with the other side. Fold the bird in half so that the open fold is at the top. Fold the middle in to give the bird a little beak. So you'll see we end up with the body of the bird, but we are not finished yet. Let's see how to do it. Step number 4. Fold the tail as I am doing to give it a 3-dimensional volume. Now fold it in again. Step number 5. Let's go to the last step. Use a little Fevicol and stick the googly eyes on the bird. Do the same with the other side. Take the cutout disc of the foam paper or the cardboard with the double-sided tape. Now stick the bird's leg on the double-sided tape as I am doing. You can cover the visible parts of the tape with some scrap from the paper or the material you are using. Now your bird is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed making the bird with me today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you.
சொல்லு
with. Hey guys.